Hello everyone, this is Luis Soto, and this is my audience. So, vegans tend to have more energy than meat eaters. That's perfect for late night romps with your loved ones. Today I'm going to talk to you about all the benefits of being a vegan and why after today you should leave this place being a vegan. You wouldn't hurt your kids, your dog, or any other loved ones, would you? So what makes you think it's great to separate a cow from their calves and eat them? If you ask me, that sounds messed up. After 4 years of college, I've become really good in doing extensive research, and today I will present you my findings on why you should become a vegan. I will talk to you about how by being a vegan, you can increase your nutritional levels, how you are helping save animals, and how you are helping save the environment. So, what is a vegan? Who is a vegan? Well, vegans are people that have taken the decision to cancel out any animal-derived products from their life. This doesn't just include food, but it also includes fur coats, for example. So, being a vegan is helpful for you because you stop eating processed foods. You stop eating meat from animals that has been tampered with, animals that have been vaccinated with hormones for them to grow fatter and to just think about eating. These animals have been also injected with sterilization medication for them to not distract from eating. They also don't sleep at night because they do not know the difference between day and night in the factories they're in. According to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, vegans are less likely to develop heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and higher blood pressure than meat eaters. So, you know it's good for your nutrition, but now you might say, how am I helping animals? How am I going to help save animals? Okay, well, the animals you eat, like pigs, chickens, cows, fish, and whatever other animals you eat, they are in confined spaces in a farm where they do not have the freedom to roam around in a huge land. They are forced to stand and sleep and walk around over their feces until someone decides it's time to wash their cage. At night, they are left with lights on so they can continue eating and getting fatter. What would take a year for a full rooster to develop takes a month for one of these animals. According to a study from the Union of Concerned Scientists, these confinement operations are cruel and unhealthy because animals are crowded uncomfortably into indoor pens or confined in cages. If you become a vegan and stop meat consumption, you will help animals. By reducing your meat consumption, many animals will stop and cease to be confined in these cruel operations. Here I will show you some pictures of how these animals are in. As you can see, these are some cows being vaccinated. You can see all the feces on the ground. The cows are just hurdled up there. They have no space to themselves. You see these roosters here, just standing, eating. They are caged up. They have nowhere to run. They have nowhere to be free. This sheep, what's going on? I don't even know. The most awful of them, all these chicken, look at them. There's probably 1,000 chickens in there just laying in their own feces. So, you know, being a vegan is better for yourself. It's better because you save animals. How do you save the environment? Well, when you stop eating so much meat, the pollution produced from all the meat industry reduces. Also, over-farming, overfishing also ceases to exist, because if we stop eating meat, there's no more need to create farms, to build factories for these animals. According to the index of the Italian Mediterranean, the omnivorous choice generates worse carbon, and omnivorous, for those of you who don't know, means those who eat meat and plants, or vegetables. The omnivorous choice generates worse carbon, water, and ecological footprints than other diets. Now, many meat eaters will say, oh, but I need my nutrients. I cannot get all my vitamins and iron, calcium from just plants. Well, let me tell you, you're wrong. Because according to Nature research, to reach an environmentally sustainable solution, animals-based food must be partially replaced with fruits, vegetables, legumes, and cereals, according to your nutritional guidelines. So, now you are aware of all the benefits that it brings to be a vegan. You help trees grow, you help forests rejuvenate, your nutritional levels increase, and you also save animals. Why not become a vegan? What is stopping us?
What about methane?
Well, we have lived in a world that for centuries we have killed the animals that live with us. We have killed trees. We have killed lands. Makes you wonder, who are the real animals? I hope you decide to become a vegan and join the bigger movement. Not do it selfishly, but do it for the world. Do it for the environment. Do it for the next generations. What kind of legacy are you going to leave for the future? And tonight I tell you, it's great to be a vegan. Thank you.
Here we go.
I am officially a vegan.